Let's talk about sugar. Not the stuff in your tea, but the story of how beet sugar, yes, sugar from beets, somehow ended up beating cane sugar at its own game. Now you're probably thinking sugar's just sugar, isn't it? Well, for most of history it absolutely wasn't. Let's roll back to the 1700s. Sugar cane, that tropical grass, was king. It was grown in hot, humid places. Ships carried it thousands of miles from colonies in the Caribbean or South America. It was expensive, luxurious, and let's be honest, built on the backs of enslaved people. But then, Napoleon. Yeah, the French one. In the early 1800s, during the Napoleonic Wars, Britain blockaded French ports. That meant no more sugarcane imports. Suddenly, France was desperate for a homegrown source of sweetness. Enter the sugar beet. Now, no one took beets seriously at first. They were lumpy, white, and mostly fed to cows. But Andreas Marggraf discovered you could extract sugar from them. His student, Franz Achard, turned it into a factory process. Napoleon loved the idea, a local, reliable sugar source that didn't depend on British ships or foreign plantations. He poured money into beet sugar factories. By 1812, there were more than 300 in France alone. Cane sugar producers? They laughed at the idea. Who'd want beet sugar when you could have the real thing? But technology improved fast. By the mid-1800s, beet sugar was everywhere in Europe. It was cheaper, homegrown, and crucially, free from the taint of slavery. By the end of the 19th century, beet sugar wasn't just a backup plan, it was the main event. Even today, about 20% of the world's sugar comes from beets, especially in Europe and North America. So next time you stir some sugar into your brew, think about it. That little spoonful is part of a massive, centuries-long battle. Technology, politics,